This is a man that has been seen many times in Glitter Productions. He's got a new set of attire on his wardrobe. That is that huge Sony headphones that he has hanging on his neck. He is Mr. Jono Bird. How are you doing, sir?
Good. I'm doing good.
That's good. Now, can I ask you a question, if I may?
Look,
How do you feel about Sergey Komodina?
he's always grinding his teeth.
Jono,
Look, do you think I'm grinding my teeth?
Jono, you do not make fun of me. I heard what you said to Jared on the video. Now, if you look at me now, if you look at my face right now, you can tell that my lip hardly moving. And you can tell that I might be grinding my teeth. But the fact is, I have about 4 separate chewing gums in my mouth at the moment. So do not make fun of my voice. And stop talking to Garwood. Alright, as you can see, Jono is playing an old-fashioned game. But hey, who's judging who? He likes playing it. It's Pokemon. What is it called? What's it called, man, bud?
Oh, RNA?
R&R. RNA? TNA.